Hello everyone. In this pro tip, I'd like to give you a few ideas to make your pair and mob programming efforts more effective. The idea of pair and mob programming presents an interesting dynamic, and it can bring a ton of benefits. This only works if the entire team is on board with the strategy and is working together towards a common goal. With that in mind, here are a few tips to help smooth out this group collaboration process. As with any team, it's important to set some ground rules. Establishing a working agreement with your teammates ensures that everyone shares responsibility and accountability when working together. The main benefit of pair and mob programming is getting more minds in the room together. So you shouldn't be afraid to think out loud. We want to bring the ideas of all of our teammates together to create the best solution at the end of the day. So say what's on your mind, because you never know where an idea can lead with the help of others. Of course, the team is all working together towards a common goal, but you should also set smaller goals and subtasks along the way so everyone can stay engaged. Decide who will be responsible for answering team questions, looking up documentation, or validating against requirements. These tasks, they might not feel as important as the code, but they are vital in keeping a mobbing session moving smoothly. The last tip here is to know when to and when not to use these strategies. Every project and team is different, and dynamics can definitely change as a team matures. Open communication and discussions with your teammates is the most important part, and it will help you decide when you should and shouldn't pair or mob program. These tips have helped make me a more effective developer, and I hope they'll do the same for you. Leave your pair or mob programming tips in the comments below, and check back soon for more Daugherty Pro tips.